selfless, unconditional, and sacrificial love of God that binds humanity together and compels us to serve the needs of our brethren. The market titles and attributes. Reina Abubal, clad in the formal garments of academic wisdom and legal advocacy. Here walks Reina Abubal, wearing her graduation gown and motherboard while reverently carrying a large wood portfolio. She beautifully mirrors the Blessed Virgin in her role as the advocate of the oppressed. She is the celestial defender who carries out the cause of the helpless, pleading for mercy before the supreme throne of the heavenly Judge. With solemn stride, heavenly voice, and unbending integrity, comes Reina Justicia, bearing the weight scales of equity and the sharp sword of truth. She walks as the living icon of the mirror of justice. She reflects the perfect, unblemished fairness of God's kingdom, where righteousness reigns supreme and mercy and truth have met together. Rose Mystica. Fill the sacred air with the sweet, ethereal fragrance of heaven is the Rosa Mystica. Carrying a breathtaking bouquet of freshly blooming roses, she embodies the mystical beauty, healing purity, and spiritual perfection of our deity. She reminds us that Mary is the largest flower of the garden of God, freed from the bronze of sin, and ever blooming with grace.